Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you are doing great in this very uncertain times. But that shouldn't stop us from porting extensions, right? So in this video, we're gonna be porting Google Chrome or any Chromium extensions and Firefox extensions and Edge extensions to Safari. Now, as you might have already known, Apple announced that they will be supporting, this Google Chrome and all the other extensions made for those browser. You can port it over to Safari, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Um, Now the thing is that I use this application called Notion for all my, wiki and everything, and sadly it doesn't have any web extensions for Safari, and I really like Safari. I mean, I don't use Firefox or anything. Now the web clipper, it's kind of like your Evernote web clipper, but for Notion. I hope that makes sense. Um, so yeah, it's not available for Safari, and I don't wanna switch to another browser just for the web clipper. So in this walkthrough, we are gonna be porting over existing Firefox extension to the Safari extension, right? So first thing you'll need is Xcode, and that's it. You just need Xcode, and you have to be on the latest Mac OS, that is Mac OS 11 Big Sur. Anyways, let's dive right into it. All right. So first off, you'll need extension itself, of course. So you can get it from whatever source you like. So I'll get mine from Firefox. I believe the source for the extension is not available, but who cares? So Notion Web Clipper is, you can of course search for whatever extension you want to port. And good thing about this whole process is that you don't even have to code a single line. It magically ports over unless and until the browser, the extension is relying on to some finicky dependencies. But other than that, you don't have to code a single line. It's magically works. So yeah, just make sure you have Xcode. Now again, I'm opening in Safari, so you won't be able to install it directly. It will ask you to download, the file. So just click on this download file. I will download it for you. Okay, wonderful. Now head over to, your terminal. So I'll make a directory. Mm, Notion web clipper should be fine, and move that file. This is not it. Wait a second. Yeah, here. Right. So now that you have file, now notice that the extension is XPI. Now I believe that it's just compressed um, extension, right? It should have your manifest and everything. So what I'll do is I'll make another directory. Now if you're wondering what the hell is this mkcd command, it's really mixture of mkdir and cd. It creates a directory and immediately changes it to it into it. Sorry, I'm fumbling, but who cares, right? Um, let's name it original. I hope that's right. And we will just unzip unzip double dot two dots because it's in the parent directory, and we'll unzip it here. Now I guess this is the only file that this tool that we have is looking for. So yeah, just make sure that you have Xcode. All right. Now you'll need to run this command. It's xcrun Safari Web Extension Converter. It's a built-in command line utility that gets installed when you install Xcode. And the dot, because you want to build the project. Oh yeah, this command will create an Xcode project. right? So this denotes the dot that you're gonna want to make that project in the same directory as this. All right, hit enter. It'll ask you a couple of questions. For the most part, they'll be fine. Let's see what are they. So first up will be your location. Make sure the location is correct. Of course, it's correct. Application name, again, there will be correct. Application bundle identifier, you don't want to change it. It's fine that way. And for language, you have two options: Swift and Objective C, both proprietary Apple languages. Swift is fine. I don't even know what they are. It's that easy, right? So just hit enter. It's fine, and it will build the Xcode project for us. I mean, it scaffolds the Xcode project, and we're gonna have to build it. So I'll exit out of here. I should be building Xcode project any time. It will auto open. Oh, that's the correct term. Auto open Xcode as soon as the scaffold is ready for us, the skeleton or whatever. Let's wait. My Mac is slow. Yeah. So as you can see now, the Xcode is starting up. It'll take a hell lot of time. And yeah, you're at it. Just subscribe and like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel, or it will help. I mean, yeah. So it's ready. You don't have to touch any code. Just hit on this run button. Now what I will do is that, yeah, there's this thing where Safari extensions cannot uh, run on their own, unlike Firefox and Chrome extensions, where they come in this zip or compressed file. They have to have their own native application within macOS. So what it will do is that it will create a wrapper application, and then it will try to install as an extension. Yeah, for now just hit on this run button. It will build the application and the extension. Right, so again, it will take a tiny bit of time, and if you have that shiny new M1 MacBook, that's gonna run fast. I mean, I used it today, and it was insanely fast. Even the MacBook Air. I have MacBook Air, but boy, that was another experience. Yeah, just let's build on my slow computer. 185 tasks. This is gonna take a long time. And once it's done, it will open the wrapper application, and it will ask us to quit the application and open Safari preferences for us to initiate the getting the extension in Safari. I don't know the terminology, but you get the idea. I mean, you will get the idea. So yeah, just let's wait. And it's so nice that I don't even have to hit keyboard that very often. And as you can see, the application is started. I mean, it's being launched, and as soon as it's done loading, it will ask us to quit. That's one-time process only. I mean, you're gonna have to open the wrapper application once, and the extension will start. Although there is one caveat which we will see. So yeah, as you can see, something's going up. All right. So yeah, it's asking us to quit here, and yeah, of course you can exit from Xcode or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, never mind. Okay, now it's asking us to enable the extension from here, but if you can see, there is no extension here. Now the thing is that if you are not an Apple developer, as in you don't have that um, what do you call it, subscription of Apple developer account, you won't have proper certificates to sign this extension. Okay, yeah, whatever. You won't have that certificate that signs that this extension is legit or whatever, but there is a way around it. So go to advanced and check the show develop menu in the menu bar, and once it's there in the upper left corner, click on this allow unsigned extensions. It will ask us for your Mac password. Mine is very long. Yeah, and as soon as you do that, the web clipper will automatically be in there. Go to edit websites and allow, click on allow on the Notion website. So yeah, it's done. That's how you would do it. And uh, as you can see, it eventually made its way here. So click on it. It will load and everything. I hope it works. It should work, and it did work. So yeah, this is your workspaces, and add to, let's add it to somewhere else. Where do I add it? Notion. I mean, you get the idea, like how it works. My actual reads are too embarrassing to read. All right, new links database. Right, we are creating a new one altogether. Right, or wait a second. This is where I use it, so we'll not use it on this website. So we'll use it in Medium. So it's loading. My internet's super good. I mean, would you believe I have 150 meg down and up connection, judging by the speed that we just experienced? Oof, this is embarrassing, but what can you do about it? All right. So here is our article. I'll click on this Notion web clipper thingy. And I'll just hit on save page. It should work. Open desktop application. It will ask us to allow every time, and it should do the job. Again, this is not the workspace that I created that links database. So my links, and there we go. Right, and your article is here. By the way, this is a little cheat on how you can read Medium articles for free, but don't get overboard with it. Okay, pay for the articles. Even I don't. I'm broke, and that's why you should subscribe. All right, let's do another this article. Let's save another article. Now let's hope the extension work this time as well. So, and if you know why the article worked in Notion, comment down below, because there is a little trick involved there too. So again, I'll save this page, and I hope it should be here, and it is here, and you can, or you can't, or you can. I guess it should be here anytime, the description, but even if it isn't, the URL is here. All right, yeah, it did come eventually. So this is how you can port over your existing Firefox or Chrome extension to Safari. The version is 14, I believe, but yeah, that's how you do it. It's really easy. I mean, there is only a couple of commands involved, but it works like charm. Now there is this thing that it will we checked this allow unsigned extensions, right? This will uncheck itself every time you quit Safari. So let me quit Safari real quick and reopen it again. There we go. I mean, again, I have slow MacBook, so you can't really complain about it, do you? Can you? All right. So what's some good website mm, that we can work on? Let's go overboard with Medium. It's painfully slow. Or maybe I'm encoding video at the same time. I don't edit my videos. That's lame. What can we do about it? Huh? Okay, so let's do the thing with this article. Huh? You don't have to load the article, to be very honest. See, the extension is gone now. So you have to allow unsigned extensions again. If you know how to do this persistently, please comment down below. That would be wonderful, right? As soon as you did that, the extension came back to life. Click on it. It will take some time, and there you go. Save the page, and it's here, right? And the article um, did load up correctly. So yeah, this is how you port all the extensions to Safari, and for the most part it will run just fine without any modifications whatsoever. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like the video and all the YouTube stuff that is there to do. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and on the Notion subreddit as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.